Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss about morphology and anatomy of cockroach. Cockroaches are brown or black bodied animals that are included in class Insecta of phylum Arthropoda. Bright yellow, red and green color cockroaches have also been reported in tropical regions. The size ranges from 1 by 4 inches to 3 inches and have long antenna, legs and flat extension of the upper body wall that conceals head. They are nocturnal omnivorous that live in damp places throughout the world. They have become residents of human homes and thus they are serious pets and victors of several diseases. Now let us study the morphology of cockroach. The adults of the common species of cockroach, Periplanta american, are about 34 to 53 long with the wings that are extend beyond the tip of the abdomen in males. The body of the cockroach is segmented and divisible into three distinct regions. These are head, thorax and abdomen. The entire body is covered by a hard chitinous exoskeleton, means brown in color. In each segment, exoskeleton has hardened plates called sclerites and spermites. They are joined each other by a thin and flexible articular membrane called arthrodial membrane. Head is triangular in shape and lies anteriorly at right angles to the longitudinal body axis. It is formed by the fusion of 6 segments and shows great mobility in all directions due to the flexibility neck. The head capsule bears a pair of compound eyes. A pair of thread-like antennae arises from a membranous sockets lying in front of eyes. Antennae have sensory receptors that help in monitoring the environment. Anterior end of the head bears appendages forming biting and chewing type of mouth parts. The mouth parts consisting of a labrum, means upper lip, a pair of mandibles and a pair of maxillae, and a labium, means lower lip, and a median flexible lobe acting as a tongue. Hypopharynx lies within the cavity closed by the mouth parts. Thorax consists of 3 parts: prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. The head is connected by thorax by a short extension of the prothorax known as the neck. Each thorax segment bears a pair of walking legs. The first pair of wings arises from mesothorax and the second pair from metathorax. 4 wings are called tegmenia or opicu dark and lithery and cover the hind wings when at rest. The hind wings are transparent, membranous and are used in flight. The abdomen in both males and females consists of 10 segments. In female, the 7th sternum is boat shaped and together with the 8th and 9th sterna forms a broad or genital pouch whose anterior part contains male gonopores, spermatical pores and collateral glands. In male, genital pouch or chamber lies at the hind end of abdomen, bounded dorsally by 9th and 10th terga and ventrally by 9th sternum. It consists dorsal anus, ventral male genital pore and gonapophysis. Male bears a pair of short thread-like anal styles which are absent in females. In both sexes, the 10th segment bears a pair of joint filamentous structures called anal cerci. anatomy, the alimentary canal is present in the both body cavity is divided into three regions that are foregut, midgut and hindgut. The mouth opens into a short tubular pharynx leading to a narrow tubular passage called esophagus. This is turned open into a sac-like structure called crop used for sorting of food. The crop is followed by zigzag proventriculus. It has an outer layer of thick circular muscles and thick inner cuticle forming six highly chitinous plate called teeth. The zigzag helps in grinding the food particles. The entire foregut is lined by cuticle. A ring of 6 to 8 blind. It has an outer layer of thick circular muscles and thick inner cuticle forming six highly chitinous plate called teeth. Zigzag helps in grinding the food particles. The entire foregut is lined by cuticle. A ring of 6 to 8 blind tubules called hepatic or gastric cilicia is present at the junction of foregut and midgut, which secretes digestive juice. At the junction of midgut and hindgut is present another ring of 100 to 50 yellow colored thin filamentous Malpighian tubules. They help in removal of excretory products from hemolymph. The hindgut is broad than midgut and is differentiated into ileum, colon and rectum. The rectum opens through anus. Blood vascular system of cockroach is an open type. Blood vessels are poorly developed and open into space hemocoel. Visceral organs located in the hemocoel are bathed in blood. The hemolymph is composed of colorless plasma and hemocytes. Heart of cockroach consists of elongated muscular tube lying along mid-dorsal line of thorax and abdomen. It is differentiated into funnel-shaped chambers with ostia on either side. Blood from sinus enter heart through ostia and it is pumped anteriorly to sinus again. Respiratory system consists of network of tracheae that opens through 10 pairs of small holes called spiracles present on the lateral side of the body. Thin branching tracheal tubes subdividing into tracheoles carrying oxygen from the air to all parts. The opening of spiracles is irregulated by the sphincters. Exchange of gases takes place to the tracheoles by diffusion. Excretion is performed by Malpighian tubes. Each tubule is lined by glandular and ciliated cells. They absorb nitrogenous waste products and convert them into uric acid, which is excreted through the hindgut. Therefore, this insect is called uriculotylic. In addition, the fat body nephrocytes and uricose glands also help in excretion. The nerve system of cockroach is spread throughout the body. The head holds a bit of nerve system while the rest is situated along the ventral part of its body. So now you can understand that if the head of a cockroach is cut off, it will still alive for as long as 1 week. In the head region, the brain is represented by supraesophageal ganglion, which supplies nerves to antenna and compound eyes. In cockroach, the sense organs are antenna, eye, maxillary pulps, labial pulps, anal cerci, etc. The compound eyes are situated at the dorsal surface of the head. Each eye consists of about 2000 hexagonal ommatidia. With the help of several ommatidia, a cockroach can receive several images of an object. This kind of version is known as a mosaic version, with more sensitive but less resolution being common during night. Cockroaches are dioecious and Both sexes have well developed reproductive organs. Male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes, one lying on each lateral side in the fourth, sixth abdominal segments. From each testis arises a tin vas deferens which opens into ejaculatory duct through seminal vessel. Each ejaculatory duct opens into male gonophore situated ventral to anus. A characteristic mushroom-shaped gland is present in the 6th, 7th abdominal segments which functions as an accessory reproductive gland. The internal genitalia are represented by a male gonophysis or phallomere, means chitinous symmetrical structures surrounded by the male gonophore. The sperms are stored in the seminal vessels and are gulfed together in the form of bundles called spermatophores, which are discharged during copulation. The female reproductive system consists of two large ovaries lying lateral in the second and sixth abdominal segments. Each ovary is formed by a group of 8 ovarian tubules or ovarioles containing a chain of developing ova. Oviducts of each ovary unit into a single median oviduct, also called vagina, which opens into the genital chamber. A pair of spermataceae is present in the sixth segment, which opens into genital chamber. Sperms are transformed through spermatospores. Their fertilized eggs are encased in capsules called otaceae. Otaceae is a dark reddish blackish brown capsule about 3-8 millimeters long. They are dropped or gulfed to a suitable surface, usually in a crack or receive of highly relative humidity near a food source. On an average, females produce 9 to 10 otaceae, each containing 14 to 6 eggs. The development of P. american is purometabolism, meaning there is a development through nymphal stage. The nymphs look very much like adults. The nymph grows by molting about 13 times to each the adult form. The next to the last nymphal stage has wing pads, but only adult cockroach have wings. Many species of cockroaches are wild and are of no known economic importance yet. A few species thrive in and around them human habitat. There are pets because they spoil food and contaminate it with their smiley excreta. They can transmit a variety of bacterial disease by contaminating food material. Thank you.